Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips Bahadur DL16794 portable radio. There's an image of the radio right on the box over here. As you can see, this particular radio comes with 3 bands, FM, SW and MW. It also has DC socket and it operates on 2 R20 batteries. Do we have any more information over here? No, that's more or less all the information we have. I will just open this and show you what's inside. And these are the components of the box. As you can see, we have a warranty card from Philips for the DL167/94 Bahadur portable radio. And this is the Bahadur portable radio in concern. And notice that the model number is written over here, DL167. It has this handle over here. It's a portable radio, as I mentioned earlier. It's also a pretty compact radio, not the smallest but pretty compact regardless. And the batteries go in over here. Let me show you the batteries for the 2 R20 battery that operates this device. Okay, the batteries are not included, but you can see these are the kind of battery that you'll need. You'll need 2 of them, 2 R20 batteries, which are not included unfortunately, so I can't show you. I can't run this when to give you a demonstration. And there's a knob over here that you can use to cycle through the different channels like FM, MW and SW, as you can see. And you also have an antenna for the radio. The front part, you will notice this is basically your speaker, and you have 2 dials here. This is for tuning. It's pretty. Notice that when I turn this dial, there's a meter that goes to the different channels, the different wavelengths. And finally, you have this knob for volume and also your on-off function. So it's written volume over here, but you can hear that click. That's basically your on-off function. Overall, this is made out of pretty solid ABS plastic and comes with this gray variant as well. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Philips Bahadur DL167/94 portable radio. Thank you for watching.